Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Chef Biscuit TV. Here I had another classic for you guys, and today's special we'll be making barbecue baked beans. This weekend is Memorial Day weekend, and I plan to do it big. So let's see how we do when I slay that stove. Also, if you're new to this channel, comment, like, subscribe below, and tell me what you guys think about this recipe. Also, if you have any suggestions, Biscuit can tackle it. We have the ground beef itself, we got the mustard, we got the barbecue sauce, the honey, the brown sugar, onion powder, and we got the onions itself. And last but not least, let's not forget the bush baked beans, because they make the best baked beans.
Oh yeah!
So as I progress, I'll show you guys individually, step by step, of how to make this dish very successful and very good too, because like I said, I love this dish and I wanted you guys to see what I see when I actually eat fine cooking. So let's go with the beef first, and then we'll go from there. And after you're done, check this out, team. Wow! That's amazing. Now, I know in the oven it hardens it up a little bit, but it will automatically harden over time. And the biggest finale that you all been waiting for, because this don't count if it don't taste good. Look how a little bit thickness that is. So, here we go. Wow! Also, if you guys find yourself in an unsuccessful situation making this dish, just rewatch the video. And also, if it still don't work out, then I may have some tips and suggestions below. Also, happy Memorial Day weekend. Stay tuned for more of my biggest recipes, which will probably be the ribs. And peace out.